Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the lesson Swarna Kakah, which is lesson number 2 from Shemushi Class 9 textbook. So it starts like Prastutoyam Patah. This lesson Padma Shastrina Virachitam, written by Padma Shastri, Vishwa Vikhyat Katha Shatakam. Vishwa Katha Shatakam is the name. Iti Katha Sangrahat collection. Katha Sangrahat means collection. Iti means this. Gruhitosti is written. So this patha is written by Padma Shastri in Vishwa Katha Shatakam, in this collection of books. Atra विविध राष्ट्रेषु व्यापतानां शतं लोककथानां वर्णनं वद्यते. अत्र in this different countries विविध राष्ट्रेषु व्यापतानां widespread शतं 100 लोककथानां stories वर्णनं the description vidyate is described. So in this there's the description of stories, 100 stories together from different countries. Esha Katha Varma Myanmar. So this lesson, Katha means lesson. Varma is Burma or Myanmar. Deshasya, the countries, Shrestha Lokakatha Asti. Shrestha means great. Lokakatha means a regional story. Asti is. अस्यां कथायां लोभस्य दुष्परिणामः. In this story, अस्यां कथायां, in this story, लोभस्य, greediness, दुष्परिणामः, the negative effects of लोभः, which is greediness. तथा च त्यागस्य सुपरिणामः, the good effects. सुपरिणामः means good effects of sacrifice, which is त्यागस्य. स्वर्णपक्ष काकमध्य माध्येन means with crow having gold wings. It is described. It is described with the help of a crow having golden wings. So you can see this is the introduction of the lesson, and now we will start with the lesson. Pura. Pura is a अव्यय, which means long ago. किस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे एका निर्धना वृद्धा स्त्री न्यवसत्. किस्मिंश्चित् in some village. ग्रामे village. एका one. निर्धना poor. वृद्धा old. स्त्री lady. न्यवसत् lived. तस्याः च एका दुहिता विनम्रा मनोहरा चासीत्. तस्याः च she had eka a duhita daughter. Duhita means daughter. Remember this. Vinamra humble. Manohara pretty. Chasit it's a sandhi. Cha plus asit means she had. Ekada once. Mata mother. Sthalyan tandulan nikshipya putrim adishat. Adishat means ordered. So what did she order? She ordered the girl, Putrim, girl, to keep the tandulan. Tandulan means rice. Nikshipya, after keeping on the plate, on a plate. Sthalyam is on a plate, which is Saptami Ekvachan. Nikshipya is a Lyap Pratyay. She told her, सूर्यातपे तंडुलान खगोभ्यो रक्ष. सूर्यातपे तंडुलान खगोभ्यो रक्ष means keep the plate in the sun and protect it from the birds. Khagobhyo means birds and raksh is to protect. Suryatape is in the sun rays, and the sandhi is surya plus atape. किंचित कालानंतरम एका विचित्रः काकः समुड्डीय तस्याः समीपं नैतादृशः स्वर्णपक्षो रजतचञ्चुः स्वर्णकाकस्तया पूर्वं दृष्टः. Now what does this mean? किञ्चित् कालानन्तरम् after some time एको विचित्रः काकः, one weird crow, समुड्डीय after flying, तस्याः means her, it refers to the girl, समीपम near, नैतादृशः. So after seeing, so the whole sentence till now means when she saw a weird crow after flying, when it came and sat. Till now it's that much. Now how was this crow? This crow had golden wings, means Swarnapaksho, silver beak, Rajata Chanchu, Swarna Kakastaya, means Swarna Kakah plus Taya, Purvam Drushtaha. So, a crow with golden wings, silver beak, and a weird nature who came and sat next to her, she had never seen such a crow. तं तण्डुलान् खादन्तं हसन्तं च विलोक्य बालिका रोदितुम् आरब्धा. So the crow, tam means crow. Tandulan khadantam, eating rice. Tandulan is rice. Hasantam cha vilokya. So he was eating and laughing the rice. He was eating and laughing while eating the rice. Vilokya, after seeing the balika, the girl, started crying. After seeing the crow eating and laughing, she started crying. Tam nivarayanti, sa prarthayat, tandulan ma bhakshaya. So she requested the crow, prarthayat, stopping. Tandulan ma bhakshaya, don't eat the rice grains. Madiya mata ativa nirdhana vartate. Madiya, my. Madiya is a synonym for my. Madiya mata, my mother, is ativa, very. Nirdhana means poor. My mother is very poor. Swarnapakshah kakah provacha, the golden feathered crow said, Ma shuchah, don't worry. Suryat pragatya, before sunrise, Gramad Bahihi, outside the village, Peepala Vrikshamanu, near the peepal tree, Tvaya, you, Agantavyam, come. So before sunrise, outside the village near the peepal tree, you come. Now why? Aham tubhyam tandula mulyam dasyami. Aham tubhyam. I will give you the price of the rice grains. So that's why he calls her near the peepal tree. Prahashita balika nidramapi na lebhe. The very happy girl doesn't even get sleep. सूर्योदयात् पूर्वमेव सा तत्रोपस्थिता. Even before sunrise, she was present there. Present means तत्र उपस्थिता. वृक्षस्य उपरि विलोक्य सा च आश्चर्यचकिता सञ्जाता यत् तत्र स्वर्णमयः प्रासादो वर्तते. वृक्षस्य उपरि विलोक्य, after seeing up on the tree, सा च आश्चर्यचकिता सञ्जाता, she was very surprised. Yat, that there was a golden palace there. यदा काकः शयित्वा प्रबुद्धस्तदा तेन स्वर्णगावाक्षात्थिकम् हम हो बालिके त्वमागता तिष्ठ अहम तत्कृत्ये सोपान अवतारयामि. So we will see till here. Yada kakah shayitva, when the crow said, and when he got up, he said from the golden window. Swarna gavakshat is golden window. हम हो बालिके, ओ गर्ल यू केम, त्वमागता यू केम, तिष्ठ, वेट, स्टैंड. अहम तत्कृते I तत्कृते सोपान अवतारयामि. I will get down a ladder for you. Ladder is sopanam. So there is a sandhi there also. Tat kathaya. Swarnamayam, rajatamayam, tamramayam va. So now tat kathaya. You tell me. Which one do you want? Swarnamayam, a golden ladder, rajatamayam, silver ladder, or tamramayam, copper ladder. कन्या अवदत्, अहम निर्धामातुः दुहिता अस्मि. So the girl said, I am a poor lady's daughter. Duhita means daughter, remember? So tamrasopanaiva agamishyami. I will come down from the copper ladder only. Tamrasopanaiva is a sandhi. Tamrasopanah plus eva. Param swarnasopanena sa Swarnabhavanam Arohat. But she went up, climbed up by the golden ladder. The crow gave her the golden ladder. Chirakalam bhavane chitra vichitra vastuni sajjitani drishtva sa vismayam gata. Chirakalam, for a long time. Chitra vichitra vastuni, different and weird things. Where? Bhavane, in the house. Sajjitani, artifacts. Drishtva, after seeing these weird artifacts, she became very surprised. Vismayam means surprised. Became means gata. Shantam tam. She was very tired. Tired girl. Tired means shantam. Vilokya kakah avadat. After seeing the tired girl, the kakah said, Purvam laguta prashah kriyatam. Now have a light breakfast. Vada, tvam swarnathalyam bhojanam karishyasi. Tell me, will you eat in the golden plate? Kim va rajathalyam, or in a silver plate, uta, or copper, or in a copper plate? Balika avdat, the girl said. Tamrathalyam, copper plate. Eva aham. I will only eat in copper plate. Nirdhana bhojanam karishyami. A poor girl will eat. Tada sa ascharya-chakita sanjata. Then she became very surprised. Sanjata means became. And tada, then. Yada, when did she become surprised? When Swarna Kakena, the golden crow, Swarna Thalyam, the golden plate, Bhojanam, Pariveshitam. Pariveshitam means served. The golden crow served the lunch, the breakfast in a golden plate. That time she became very surprised. Ne itadrusham swadu bhojanam dyavidhi balika khaditavati. Na itadrusham, not like this. Tasty. Swadu means tasty. She had never eaten any tasty food like this till now. Now, Bhojana Madhyavadhi is can be split by Sandhi, like Bhojanam plus Adya plus Avadhi. Khaditavati, had not eaten. Kakovadat, the Kakah plus Avadat. Balike, girl, aham ichchami. I want, I feel, I wish. Yat, that. Tvam sarvada atraiva tishtha. You always live here. But, param, tvam mata tu ekakini vartate. But your mother is alone at home. She lives alone. Atah, so, tvam shikrameva swagruham gaccha. You quickly go home. इत्युक्त्वा काकः कक्षाभ्यन्तरं तिस्रः मञ्जुषाः निस्सार्य तां प्रत्यवदत्. So after saying so, इत्युक्त्वा is इति plus उक्त्वा. काकः कक्षाभ्यन्तरं, काकः the crow inside the room. तिस्त्रत मंजुषाः means 3 bags. निस्सार्य तां, after keeping, he said, बालिके यथेच्छं गृहाण मंजुषा एकम. Here, take one manjusha. Manjusha means bag. So, लघुतनां मंजुषां प्रगृह्य बालिकया कथितम् एयत् एव मदीयतण्डुलानां मूल्यम्. After taking the small and the lightest manjusha, the bag means laghutamam, pragruhya, pra plus gru plus lyap, it's a pratyay. Balikaya kathitam, she said, iyat, this is only my tandula mulyam. Madiya tandula mulyam means very poor cost of grains. गृहमागत्य, after coming home, तया she मंजूषा समुद्घाटिता, opened the bag. Opened means समुद्घाटिता. तस्याम, in that, महार्हाणि हीरकाणि, expensive diamonds. हीरकाणि means diamonds. विलोक्य, after seeing, सा प्रहर्षिता तद्दिनात् धनिका च संजाता. तद्दिनात् धनिका is tad plus dinat plus dhanika. It's a sandhi. After seeing those expensive diamonds, after opening the bag, she became very happy and she became very wealthy from that day. तस्मिन्नेव ग्रामे एका अपरा लुब्धा वृद्धा न्यवसत्. तस्मिन्नेव, in the same, ग्रामे village, in the same village, eka, one, अपरा लुब्धा वृद्धा, very greedy and selfish वृद्धा, a woman, old woman, न्यवसत्, lived. तस्या अपि एका पुत्री आसीत्, she also had a daughter. ईर्ष्यया सा तस्य स्वर्णकाकस्य रहस्यं ज्ञातवती. ईर्ष्यया means with jealousy. This is तृतीया वचन. सा, she, तस्य, that स्वर्णकाकस्य रहस्यं, she got to know the secret of the golden feathered crow. ज्ञातवती means got to know. सूर्यातपे तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य तयापि स्वसूता रक्षणार्थं नियुक्ता. सूर्यातपे तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य, in the heat of the sun, she told her daughter to keep the rice grains and to guard them from the crows. Niyukta means appointed. She appointed her to keep and guard them. Nikshipya is after keeping. तथैव स्वर्णपक्षः काकः तण्डुलान् भक्षयन् तमापि तत्रैव वाकरयत्. In the same way, tatraiva vakariyat means in the same way. Tathaiva also means same way. In the same way, Swarnapakshah kakah, the golden feathered crow, came to eat the rice grains. And in the same way, she started and she saw in the same way. Pratastatah means pratah tatra swatah. Gatva sa kakam nirbhayatyanti provachat. In the morning, after going in the morning, she scolded the crow in a non-present, means nirbhayatyanti, without fear, in a non-pleasant way. Said means provachat. Replied. Provachat. Bho neecha kakah. Oh, you mean crow. Aham agata. I have come. मह्यम तण्डुलमूल्यं प्रयच्छ. मह्यम means give me. Me means मह्यम. तण्डुलमूल्यं, the price of the grains. प्रयच्छ, give. काको ब्रवदत् means काकः अवदत्. अहं तत्कृत्ये सोपानम् अवतारयामि. I will give you a ladder to you. I will get you a ladder. तत्कथय. स्वर्णमयं, रजतमयं, ताम्रमयं वा? You tell me which one, the golden one, silver one or the copper one? गर्वितया बालिकया प्रोक्तम्. The arrogant girl said, प्रोक्तम् means replied. स्वर्णमयेन सोपानेन अहम् आगमिष्यामि. I will come with the golden ladder. परम स्वर्णकाकः तत्कृते, it's a sandhi. स्वर्णकाकस्तत्कृते is स्वर्णकाकः plus तत्कृते. ताम्रमयं सोपानं प्रायच्छत्. But the golden crow gave her the copper ladder. स्वर्णकाकस्तां भोजनपि ताम्रभाजने एव अकारयत्. The golden crow gave her the breakfast in ताम्रभाजने, in the copper plate only. Akarayat is gave over here. Pratinivritya kale, in the time to return, Swarnakakena kakshabhyantaram, the golden crow from inside the room, Tistraha Manjusharam Tatpuram Samukshiptaha. He got 3 bags from the inside room and kept in front of her. Samukshiptaha means placed or kept. Tatpuraha means in front of. Lobhavishta means lobha plus avishtha means selfish. It's a sandhi. Sa bruhattamam manjusham gurvitavati. She took home the biggest manjusham. Bruhattama means biggest. Gruham agatya sa taharshita yavad manjusham udghatayati tavad tasyam. We'll see till now. Gruham agatya, after coming home, sa, she, greedy and eagerly, yavad, with greed and eagerness, when she opened the bag, manjusham udghatayati, when she opened the bag, at that time, tavad, by then, bhishana krishna sarpaha vilokityah, a deadly black cobra came out. Deadly is bhishana. Krishna sarpaha is black cobra. Lubdhaya balikaya lobhasya phalam praptam. Lubdhaya balikaya, the selfish and the greedy girl, got the result of the greediness. Lobhasya phalam praptam means she got the result or the fruit of greediness. Tadanantaram sa lobham paryatyajat. After that, tadanantaram sa, she, lobham paryatyajat means she gave up greediness and selfishness. Thank you everyone. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please comment your experience below.